In today's rapidly evolving healthcare industry, medical billing and coding professionals play a crucial role in ensuring accurate and efficient processing of medical records, insurance claims, and reimbursement procedures. With the demand for skilled professionals in this field on the rise, many individuals are considering enrolling in a medical billing and coding bootcamp to kickstart their careers. But is a medical billing and coding bootcamp worth it? In this video, we will explore 5 compelling reasons why investing your time and resources in a medical billing and coding bootcamp can be a worthwhile endeavor. First, a medical billing and coding bootcamp can provide hands-on training and practical skills development. One of the primary advantages of a medical billing and coding bootcamp is the hands-on training and practical skills development it offers. These programs are designed to provide students with a comprehensive understanding of the medical coding and billing processes through interactive learning experiences. Instead of spending years in a traditional education setting, a bootcamp offers an intensive and focused curriculum that allows students to acquire the necessary skills in a shorter time frame. Second, medical billing and coding bootcamps provide accelerated learning and quick career entry opportunities. Another reason why a medical billing and coding bootcamp is worth it is the accelerated learning and quick career entry it offers. Unlike traditional degree programs that span several years, bootcamps are designed to provide an intensive and condensed educational experience. In a matter of months, students can acquire the essential knowledge and skills needed to pursue a career in medical billing and coding. Medical billing and coding bootcamps also provide industry-relevant curriculums and updated knowledge. Staying up to date with the latest industry practices and regulations is crucial in the field of medical billing and coding. With frequent changes in healthcare policies, coding guidelines, and insurance requirements, professionals need to have a solid understanding of the current landscape. A medical billing and coding bootcamp can provide an industry-relevant curriculum that reflects the latest updates and best practices. I hope you enjoyed our content. Don't forget to follow our page. Like and subscribe for more actionable tips in fast-tracking your health tech career behind certifications for today's most in-demand roles.